I have some pork chops. So my pork chops have been washed off. So I'm just gonna season some garlic salt, seasoning salt, black pepper.
I want to do that.
No, I'm gonna do it.
I make it burn.
But I'm trying to get done.
I go fast. This one?
Hold on. I'm not gonna like this in my nails. Should put a glove on. Get out the way. Pick it up. Don't just leave it there.
Hi guys, my mom making garlic, you guys.
I'm making big pork chops.
Big pork chops?
Pork chops.
Pork chops, what is that?
Pork chops. I'm not gonna fry them because y'all don't ever eat them. So we're just gonna put them in the oven on 350, and we're gonna add barbecue sauce.
I'm going to put the barbecue off.
Sauce. We'll be back, guys.
Make sure to make sure for you.
I'm back. These are the pork chops. Give me a second. So cooked. Now we're gonna add some honey barbecue sauce. I'm back. I'm going to try it. It's actually really good. I like honey when I do barbecue. It just tastes better to me because I am a diabetic as well. I was gonna make sure that it's not too sweet. Me personally, it'll be okay. All of them. It's barbecue sauce. And then I'm gonna put it back in the oven. I'm back. Let's look at my pork chops. Very simple, very easy. I try not to do too much. I like to cook. Lately, I'm too tired. I like to eat. So, this is my barbecue pork chops. I'm just gonna make some macaroni to go on the side. Next up, we're gonna make box macaroni. So we're gonna do the Velveeta one. I have the water in the pot that my son done scratched up. You know what makes me annoyed by this is the simple fact that these were given to me as a gift. Use a spoon, boy. No. But anywho, we're gonna make macaroni. Last part. I boiled the noodles. I drained them. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter. I'm not really a mac and cheese person. It's more my son. My daughter doesn't eat cheese, so she doesn't eat macaroni either. I figured it would go good with the pork chops. So it's just something different. I got tired of eating roast every week since that's pretty much what we eat every month. Roast and chicken. My butter is melted. I'm gonna add some of the cheese. So I'm just gonna keep stirring it. I almost overcooked the noodles because the kids kept telling me they was thirsty. I'm gonna add a little bit of the low lactose milk. I'm not really a milk fan either. I don't drink milk. I don't like it. To me, it makes my tummy hurt. So I don't drink it. We'll give it a try today. Then I'm going to add, my son likes his macaroni cheesy, as do most people. So I'm just gonna add some of this Kroger's Mexican style blend. As much as he likes it cheesy, I wanna eat some of this too. I don't. Let it melt in there. As you see, it's melting. And that's the macaroni. All nice and cheesy like he liked it. Alright, y'all, bye.